On World Hearing Day, which is my birthday, we celebrate the importance of hearing to our physical and mental health. Our hearing is a precious gift. Yet, ear and hearing problems are among the most common in the world, affecting people of all ages. By 2050, over 700 million people worldwide are expected to need ear and hearing care unless we step up efforts in prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. The good news is that over 60% of ear and hearing problems can be identified and addressed at primary health care facilities. To facilitate this, WHO is launching the Primary Ear and Hearing Care Training Manual. Through its implementation, countries can empower their primary healthcare workforce to better support people with ear and hearing problems. WHO calls on governments, health professionals, and civil society to work with us to champion a vision of accessible ear and hearing care for all. Together, we can safeguard hearing for millions more people across the world. I thank you.